Today I got a new package from Amazon. Let's see what we have here. Okay. So this is cable tie. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. Self-locking nylon cable tie. Bundle diameter 5 to 130 mm. Operating temperature -10 to +85 degrees Celsius. 100 pieces they have given. Similarly, I have this in little smaller size and this. So 3 sizes. So it was a combo. So this was one product. And if you see the dimensions, so this is 42, close to 42 centimeter. This smaller one is 30, around 30 centimeter. And this is around 46 centimeter. 3 sizes. And this is like the interesting bit. I was not aware like there are kind of stainless steel zippers. So this also is in 3 sizes. Okay, 4 sizes they have given. Maybe I can just make it like this angle and you can see it better. So if we take the size, so the first one is kind of 30 centimeter. Second one is close to like 27. Third one is close to 20 centimeter. The fourth one is kind of 15 centimeter. So I have used zip ties like this nylon version multiple times at multiple places, but the drawback with this is like if you are using it on a site which is exposed to sun, the UV rays damages it and yeah, it just breaks down. That's where I found like this metal zip ties are useful, like they can be used in an area which is kind of directly exposed to UV rays or direct sunlight. So if you see, let me just, for the sake of this video, let me just kind of use it. As I said, I have never used it ever, but yeah, it looks promising to me for external use. So the mechanism, if you see here, is somewhat similar only, where what you do is you just pull it here and okay, it's locked at this position only, and you can just tight it. But how we can I like fold it even more? I think yes. So it's little bit different mechanism. Like if you see any nylon one, it comes with slots, but here it's kind of plain. So yeah, I am curious how it will work. But yeah, it's, as you can see, it's kind of tight, so you have to actually cut it. I think this should be fine to hold something in some place. The access part maybe you can cut. Ideally it should be like from outside. Let's spare one more. And let's see. For the sake of demonstration, so this is how it is. If I just put it here again, it will be same, something similar. So as you can see, the surface is plain, and if you see this surface, for example, let's open the biggest one. I'll just get it for you. I'm just trying to show the comparison between both of them. So as you can see, it's kind of slotted, so that makes things easy. But like I can just put it here and it will lock it. I think most of you should be familiar with this way of locking, but the other way, like the metal way, is little bit different. Way of locking they have provided. It's kind of I would say a ball kind of mechanism they have provided. But anyway, I think definitely there are use cases for this, like where you can't use nylon. As I said, one of the use cases like the area which is exposed to sun. The other use case may be like where you want longer life. So I feel like this metal, they claim it to be stainless steel. So if it is really stainless steel, then definitely its life would be more than this plastic. Yeah, so this was the two versions of zipper tie or zip tie which I got, and yeah, let's see where I will use it.